Multiplication using indices. The easiest way to have a look at this is to use actual numbers and try and work it out. So let's have a look at 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 3. Well, what's happening here? Let's expand this into expanded form. It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Notice that in the first 2, that's this particular number here, and these numbers here over here. Now when we multiply it together, 2 times 2 is 4 obviously, and times 8, and then gives us 32. Now looking at the number 32, if this is what we call our basic numeral, and what we want to do is express that in the form of index form, and we get 2 to the power of 5. If you check that on a calculator as well, you find 2 to the power of 5 gives us 32. Now, how is this related to our first two numbers? Well, you can see here that 5 is the same as adding 2 to 3. So we're just adding those two numbers. So that gives us our multiplication law for indices, and we can express that in a algebraic way, and we use x to the m to indicate the first variable, the first number, then we times x to the n, and then that gives us a final value of x to the m plus n. Now these variables, or pronumerals as we call them, I'll just write that down here, pronumerals, they're also called variables, are ways of just showing you that we can put any number into these values here, any number at all, and if the base number here is the same, then all we have to do is add the indices.